What happens if I miss the annual enrollment period for health insurance? Breaking news for those navigating Medicare. With the annual enrollment period for Medicare just around the corner, many are asking, what happens if I miss it? If you are among those wondering about your options, you are not alone. The annual enrollment period runs from October 15 to December 7 each year, and it is a critical time for making changes to your Medicare coverage. Missing this period can lead to several important consequences that you need to be aware of. First, if you miss the annual enrollment period, your ability to change plans or coverage will be limited. You will not be able to switch Medicare Advantage plans or join a new plan until the next enrollment period. This means you could be stuck with a plan that does not meet your current needs. Second, there are potential late enrollment penalties to consider. If you missed your initial enrollment period for Medicare Part B, you could face a 10% penalty for each full 12-month period you were eligible but did not enroll. This penalty increases your monthly premiums permanently, which can add up over time. Third, missing the annual enrollment period could lead to gaps in your coverage. If you do not enroll or make changes during this time, you might end up without the necessary coverage for your health care needs. This could leave you vulnerable to high out-of-pocket costs. Additionally, it is important to note that special enrollment periods are no more restricted. Recent changes may requiring you to provide proof or documentation to qualify for a special enrollment period. This makes it harder to enroll outside the annual enrollment period if you miss the deadline. Lastly, missing payments or enrollment deadlines can lead to the cancellation of your plan. This means you could lose access to essential benefits like hospital visits and prescription drug coverage until you can re-enroll. In summary, if you miss the Medicare annual enrollment period, you will have to wait until the next year's window or qualify for a special enrollment period to make any changes or enroll. This can lead to penalties, coverage gaps, or being stuck with a plan that no longer fits your needs. It is crucial to carefully review renewal notices and act within the enrollment period to avoid these issues.